everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane. Today we're going to talk about how to read a stock chart. A question that I've been getting from a lot of followers. So we're going to try to break it down in just about 5 minutes. If you guys have something else that you'd like to see in my videos, a question you would like me to answer with a video, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and definitely subscribe and turn on those notifications so you guys will go ahead and get the alerts as soon as these awesome videos come out. And don't forget to go ahead and give me that thumbs up and like the video for today. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to get started. So we do have stock charts up here. Now, Stock Charts has a free access to it. TradingView has a free access to it. I will pull up TradingView as well. But we're going to go over the absolute basics of a chart, all right? So you have your ticker. In this case, we're looking at Apple. And this chart is on a daily period. So what does that mean? So each one of these candles is going to represent one day. Now, for most charts, you will find the bottom of the chart is going to be the time frame, right? So this goes all the way back to July of 2019, right? So you can see that we have 2020 right here, and you can go ahead and change it on TradingView, and here you can change the time frame as well to see. And then on the vertical axis right here, you're going to always find the price, right? So you have your time at the bottom and your price. Now you have to think of the chart is telling you a story. What is this story? This story is telling you the volume, the number of people that are interested in that time, either to buy the stock or to sell the stock, right? So for example, this day back in December 23rd, just before Christmas, crazy volume, right? So you want to pay attention to these large volume candles at the bottom, right? This is going to be your volume for each day. Now, when you have a higher than normal volume, you want to pay attention. If that stock goes up after that point, that was likely buying volume. If that stock, like on this day, for example, back March 14th, it looks like, if we go ahead and we drop below that volume, that was likely selling volume. It goes back to basic economics as well of if somebody is buying the stock, there's a limited amount of stock, like say buying a house. If you go to a neighborhood, there's only one house, but there's 5 buyers that all want that house. What's going to happen? There'll likely be a bidding war and the price will go up. Well, let's flip that around. There's one buyer, but there's 5 houses. Well, there's a large supply on the market. And so therefore, the prices tend to drop because there's not as many people interested in buying. It can be the same thing for a stock chart. So here we have, higher volume, and then we went above. Okay, look, we have the buyers that are taking this up. Now, in general, the market is bullish overall for long-term investing. Why? There's always money being poured in with people's 401ks and retirement plans. All that money is either going to an investor or mutual fund or an ETF that is then putting it back in and buying in the market. So overall, the market is bullish long-term for many large cap stocks. Now, in this time of COVID, it can be a little bit different. We also have other indicators, but that's going to be the basics for how to read a chart. So you have the time for date on the bottom and the price on the right. You can go ahead and change the time frame to an hour, and it's going to change that chart, and it's going to show you on a smaller time frame what is going on. All right, guys. If you like the video, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And remember, put in the comments below what you would like to see in further videos to come. Thanks a lot. Have a great week ahead. Carpe profit. Seize those profits one trade at a time.